Okay guys, so welcome back to another packaging video. So in today's video, I will be packaging these beauties. Haven't already, go check out that video on how I made them. But okay, so she actually had custom nail sizes, so she really labeled one right, one left. So what I'm about to do is this down. And then right in here, R, and then left. So we're R and left. So just so you know, this is the right hand, that's the left hand. I'm about to write the thank you note. Write this with an alcohol pad. And then put this down on top of it. Get her application, well not her application, her nail essentials, the nails, or her name at the front. Close this, we're done. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a fat thumbs up and make sure you subscribe for more. And until next time, bye guys.